welcome back with me Dee in this channel, or Dea. So today is just rainy day, but I want to record this video. I already have this stuff. It's a kit to make your own eyeshadow. I bought this from TK MAXX, so I bought it way cheaper than the original price. It's supposed to be £34, 35p, and I bought it for £5. Called Modelsown Color Chrome Eye. It has tutorial at the back, so I'm just gonna open it with my sculpting tool. Actually, I think I can peel it. I just cut my nail today, so oops. So we got this like metal thingy. It's like, I'm guessing it's supposed to be when we mix the color we put it here, so it's gonna be mini palette. So I have two liquid here. Oh, this one eye primer. I think both are the same, intensifying liquid, and I have 4 of these. So this is the color. This is the color of Night Galaxy Color Chrome Eyeshadow, and then this one is Tyrian Purple. All of them is a bit shimmery, golden light, chromium emerald. I want to try to shade it on my foundation of it. Is it good? So I have my hand cream here. It's creamy gold, a bit like rose gold. Is it cheek stain or eyeshadow cream basically? I think this one is splash. It would have galaxy color. And then the last one, the purple color. So I have the 4 colors on my armpit. It's quite pigmented. So let's read how to do this. Yeah, they have the ingredients as well if you're interested to know. Let's check it with the app. I'm gonna check the ingredients if it's toxic. It is important to check your ingredients in beauty products you have that chemical on your skin. It's pretty decent price. It's £5 for this thick. It's 1.75 grams each jar for £34. I don't think I'm gonna buy it. I have this app called Clean Beauty. You can download Think Dirty as well, whichever you prefer. I use this app to scan the ingredients, and I just take pictures of that. To scan it, press analyze button. There are few controversial ingredients, but not so bad. They have 4 controversial ingredients, which is, I'll put it in the screen. The way we do it is by squeeze a little amount, small drop of this liquid, and then add some color, and then that's it. It's just tiny little amount. I like these 2 colors. They're all pretty nice actually, but this one looks really good. But I want to mix this one with this one. Oh wait, they're actually not really deep. How centimeter deep? No. This one. It looks like silver now. Yeah, it looks silver. It's pretty cool. I think it's better if you have empty palette so you can fill palette, because now I kinda don't want to lose this one, but I don't know how to. Purple with black, so make it more galaxy. Add a bit of black. I'm guessing it will be just become darker purple. Now it's like this. I think it's better for them to include extra palette so we can put our custom eyeshadow color, because now I don't know where to put it and it will be unhygienic without lid. At least give us lid, please. Try mix everything. That's a good idea. I'll try to make same amount of the color. The more you put the liquid, easier you can mix them. I can see the green, I can see the purple, I can see the silver. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, black, but it's galaxy. have a bit purpley. I like this one the best. You can try mix everything. But yeah, I don't know how to keep this. Please put extra lid in the kit or buy empty eyeshadow palette so we can fill it, so it's more fun and reusable again. I don't want to throw it, but I really like it. It's beauty blender, so I want to try to blend just for fun. Like a jar of water. This is from the beauty umbrella. This shape is like raindrop. Quite compact. I'm just gonna dip it. You guys can have 10% off, especially Valentine's Day. D Love 10. Sorry, I got distracted. To use the beauty blender, you have to wet it, squish it, and the size will open, and you can reuse this package. Hygienic. Ooh, I like this. If you do this, it will blend and melt the product more into your skin. It's quite good. Beauty umbrella. Brush number 3. What do you think? Can't fit the packaging now. So satisfying. So yeah, that's the video of making my own eyeshadow. Hope you guys have fun like how I had fun. Thank you, the beauty umbrella, for the brushes. If you haven't checked out I reviewed the brushes, please click the video before this video. I just came back to YouTube again, so I kind of need to update myself with the feature they have now. If you want to know how to use Beauty Blender and how to clean it, please wait for the next video next week, Saturday or Sunday. And hope you guys enjoy it as I did. It's a good experience to just be able to mix the colors. It's sustainable, made out from bamboo. And this one is Beauty Blender. So cute, so bouncy. Yes. So bye. See, I love you. Okay, bye. I love you.